Hi, Shaylin WTI, and I want to share with you why I love this dog blow dryer.
Y'all, if you bathe a dog at home, you need this Pet Control HQ dog hair blow dryer. I love it. You will love it. I mean, look at this thing. It is amazing. It's got a nice portable carrying handle, so you're able to take it wherever you need it. The hose will detach so you can store it easily. You're able to control the airflow, of course, on off switch, but also your heat you can turn on and off. I love. And then 4 attachments, which is great for someone like me with different breeds of dogs. And like I said, I'm not a groomer. I just bathe my dogs in between grooming at home. So this is really nice because this got the job done on my Shih Tzu in under 10 minutes, which is like record timing with her. She doesn't love being bathed and dried, so this was nice because it is a low, quiet noise and it doesn't bother her because it's not too loud, too scary. But with this hose, man, it is such high quality and it retracts to 83 inches. So I can even pull that vacuum away from her and get the job done. It's just all overall, like I said, high quality, very rugged, I'm not worried about breaking it. It's not cracking, not tearing in the hose. And she's fine with it. She's, like I said, it's not her favorite pastime, but look how good it is drying her and how quickly. I'm telling you, this by far is the best thing. And look how beautiful my Miss Maisie looks after her bath. So fluffy, so good. This thing dries her so well.
I absolutely love that this Pet Control HQ dog blow dryer has saved us so much time when we're trying to dry our freshly bathed dogs. I know you'll love it too, and that is my point of view.